Hi, today we will look at how do I cancel an outpatient bill, that is an OP bill. If you have access to editing, then only you can edit a bill. So there are different ways you can edit a bill, but we'll go with the where I open a bill where I have to remove an item for which I have already billed. I made a wrong entry. So I just go to OP, click on edit bill. Once you click on edit bill, it shows today's dates, all the bills by default. These are all the bills which have been generated today. So I select a bill where I made a mistake. I have an option to search based on the bill number. Like if there are many bills, I can search based on the bill number or based on last name or the mobile number of the patient between these two dates. So for example, here I just take the bill, I just to show you, I will just copy this bill here just to show the bill number, say search. So this bill number comes in, then I select that particular bill and say submit. So now you can see the details of the bill, whatever has been raised. So I have made some investigations. I've made, there is one service, there is one consultation. So what I do is I have made one wrong entry, that is basically this 24 hours urine chloride I want to remove. So I just select that particular line item and I say delete. So once I press delete, that is a delete button on my keyboard, I press delete. So it'll ask, are you sure you want to delete this row? So I say yes. So that deleted item is marked in red. Now I go ahead and say save. Once I say save, it asks me what is the reason for editing this particular bill. So I would select a reason. There will be a list of reasons. I would select a reason called wrong entry. And now again, these edit reasons come from the master. You can create new edit reasons as you want. We will show you as how to create edit reasons. So you double click on this wrong entry now. That means that you made a wrong entry. So that is why you are editing the bill, and say submit. Now this bill is updated. Now if you see, as this bill got updated, it shows you some information here as basically there is a balance of minus 200. That means that we have to give back 200 back to the patient. So that means that 200 rupees had to be paid back to the patient, because earlier the bill amount was 9,400. Now the bill amount is 9,400, but we had collected 600, 9,600, as we deleted one item which was worth 200 rupees. That 200 rupees had to be refunded back to the patient. Now how do we do that? So you go to the payment, come back to the payment. Here again there is a similar search option which comes here. You can see, you can based on a patient bill number you can search. So you have a search based on the first name, last name, bill number, and all other options. So since I had already selected the bill, this is one good part about the system, is that if you have selected a bill and that same bill number is available for you to when you navigate between the screens. So now I select the same bill again. Now you come to the payment. It shows that you have received the payment of 9,600, which is with the receipt number. Now if you come to the refund, it automatically populates the amount that needs to be refunded to this particular patient. In this case, it is 200 rupees. So it's by cash is what I'm going to refund. And then I just have to do a save so that a new receipt number is generated. So I just say save. Then again, when I do a save, it asks me what is the reason for refund. So I have to select a reason, and I select a reason as here as, I mean, again, you have, these are the reasons which have been correct. I say select reason as wrong entry. So I'm refunding because I did a wrong entry, so I'm refunding the reason. Or you can create a reason like, you have deleted an item or something of that sort. Whatever you want a reason, various reasons can be created on the master. We will show you how to create reason in a separate video. So now you have to refund 200 rupees, and I say save. So payment saved successfully. Now the refund receipt is being generated. Now if you want to print the refund receipt, you can select that particular receipt here and say print receipt. So that receipt is printed for the patient. So you just take a print of this, that print receipt, it says it's a refund amount by cash. This is how you actually refund the 200 rupees back to the patient. So today you have seen how to edit a bill. In this case, you edit a line item into the bill. There is one more thing where you can do a full bill cancel. That we will see in the next video. Thank you.